Hey everyone, so in this video we will guide you on Transact. We do have a functionality of deal information on sales quotation and sales inquiry, what it is and how you can use that. So first of all, let us go to all modules and then click on sales and purchase. Now after this, we will go to quotations. Now here is the quotation. In quotation, first of all, I will open sales inquiry and will show you what functionality are there. So once I open the sales inquiry, so sales inquiry is basically a lead which came and you captured. Now here on your right hand side, you will see an option of deal information. Click on this. Now what more you can do in this? I can change the ownership. Like suppose if I go ahead and select any other owner who can go ahead and work on this sales inquiry. So I can click this and make the changes. Now going ahead, I can make a change in the next action date. I can select that on 30th next action need to be taken. Then after I can change the status as well. If SQ is created, system will automatically convert. But if you want to change it manually, you can select it SQ created or rejected if it is not going ahead. You can add a tag in this and accordingly can save it for quick and easy identification. Now coming towards the activity timeline, here you can mention any of the internal user and can paste a comment. Same will be sent to them via an email notification on their registered email. So similarly, in sales quotation also, we have provided the timeline functionality. Let me show you. I will quickly select the sales quotation here. Now, once I will come in sales quotation, please check. On your right hand side, you will see a deal information. Now here you can go ahead and again add any attachment, or you can mention a comment for internal. Apart from that, in the overview, you can make the ownership change. Also, you can go ahead and select the next action date and deal status as well, like pending, won, lost. So more are similar, but few changes are there in term of sales inquiry and quotation. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to use our deal information to pass on the proper details to your team. Have a good day ahead.